So, you're thinking of getting a YouTrip card? That's great. It's a popular choice among travelers. But before you dive in, let's talk about the not-so-great side of YouTrip. YouTrip offers a convenient way to manage your finances while traveling. It's easy to use, and the foreign exchange rates are often competitive. However, like any financial product, it has its drawbacks. Disadvantage 1: limited currency support. Narrow range. While YouTrip supports a decent number of currencies, it might not cover all the destinations you plan to visit. Potential inconvenience. If you're traveling to a country with a less common currency, you might need to rely on other methods, which can be less convenient. Disadvantage 2: fees and charges. Hidden costs. While YouTrip often advertises low fees, it's important to read the fine print. There might be additional charges for certain transactions, such as ATM withdrawals or currency conversions. Impact on budget. These extra fees can quickly add up, especially for frequent travelers. Disadvantage 3: customer support. Response times. Some users have reported slow response times from YouTrip's customer support. Limited assistance. In case of issues or emergencies, you might not receive the immediate assistance you need. Disadvantage 4: security concerns. Digital wallet risks. As with any digital wallet, there's always a risk of security breaches. Importance of strong security practices. It's crucial to protect your account with strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Disadvantage 5: currency conversion rates. Dynamic exchange rates. While YouTrip often offers competitive rates, they can fluctuate. Potential for loss. If the exchange rate moves unfavorably, you might end up paying more than expected. While YouTrip can be a useful tool for managing your travel finances, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. By understanding its limitations, you can make informed choices and minimize potential drawbacks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.